everyone, welcome back to my channel and to the returning subscribers. Hello fam, it's good to have you back as always. And to the new ones, welcome, join the family. My previous video I reviewed the punch needle kit, and today we're doing the latch hook one, and there is a bonus going through, so just unbox this one with me. It's the first time I'm opening it. Oh my, okay, so we'll do this together. This kit is a bit different again. Some ASMR. I'm known for that. Oh, okay. This is lovely. They cut the yarn for us. We've got brown. We've got black. Oh, there's a lot inside. We've got gray. And, I don't know, beige. Beige, right? We've got another beige. And we've got like different shades of brown. Okay. That's another brown, I guess. And there was a dark brown before that, a light one, and we got some gray. I don't know how many inches this is, guys. And a latch hook. I do have a latch hook, but it's pink. That's the bonus that's going to come through. I usually use it for my hair. Use a latch hook for my hair extensions. And fam, this is the crochet version of the hair latch hook. Let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial on it. Oh wow. It's gonna take some time. Oh nice. So they've got the painting for us right over there, the picture. I'm like a painting. And I guess we just follow latch hook that one. And fairly simple.
It looks similar. Looks the same, right? It does. How cute. And this is the other side. Oops. This is the other side. I don't know if I should hang it or make it a pillow. This one looks like that. Exactly like that.
Fam, with the final product, you can either hang it, create a cushion cover, or a bag with it.